Okay, this is a technical problem with Streamlabs OBS version 0.12.3, and I am just showing that it doesn't save my settings. For instance, right now I have it set up so that it will do one called Logitech C910 and one video source called Logitech C920. The C920 is my hand. The C910 is supposed to be my head. So let me show you what I have to do in order to make this work. I can select the C920 like so and show it, but the C910 doesn't show up. Also, there's something strange happening here. This is new. I don't know why it's happening, but apparently we've got this very strange weirdness happening on this side of the screen over the mixer. Don't know what that's about. That's new. But let's get back to the 910 thing. I have to take this and remove it. Let's see, maybe it'll... Okay, it looks like it has frozen for some reason. This is the other thing that happens. It's pretty buggy. It just, things freeze. And I'm still, let's see if I can still try and get rid of it. No, I don't want to do that. There we go. Okay, so now we're back. I guess it just needed a second to figure it out. I'll add a new video source. Call it Logitech C910 again. Add new source. There's my camera. Configure video. This may take a moment. Nope, it doesn't look like it's going to come up. Let's try this again. C910. See, C910 still doesn't select. I can go here, configure the video. Sometimes what I have to do is, let's just cancel out of this. I'm going to unplug the C910 and then replug the C910. And let's see what happens. Come back here, configure video. No, it's still not working. Try it one more time. I'll try pulling out the C910 again. And I'll try putting it back on again. Add source. And there it is. Okay, so now what I can do is configure this video the way I usually like to do it. Looks like everything is correct. And then I usually go to custom, change this to 720p, and formats. And then I just pull this up. I don't make it 1080p because it's not capable of rendering reasonably quickly at 1080p. Let me change some settings on this real quick. Configure video. Give it the right light. Save. And now I'll click done. So now when I'm ready to do my video where I'm looking straight at the camera and I want to show something on my desktop, on my actual physical desktop, I'm capable of doing it. I'm ready to go. But as soon as I close this down and reboot, it'll be back to the way it was at the beginning of this video. And I have no control over that. It will not let me reset either the Logitech. Sometimes it's the C910, sometimes it's the C920. It seems to be variable. I'm not exactly sure why that's happening. But this is the way it is with Streamlabs OBS for my system. In the show notes, I will put the particulars of my system so that you'll have some idea of what I'm actually working with. I hope this is useful. I hope somebody will be able to fix the bug with whatever's happening here. And also this new thing here that's showed up down at the bottom. I don't know what that's about. That's totally new. It must be something that's new with version 12.3. So I really like OBS, Streamlabs OBS, but I hope that we can get some consistency so that it will properly remember my settings. I'd also like it to remember the lighting settings, because I'm using artificial lighting. There's no reason why it shouldn't remember those settings, including the focus, including the auto focus that I've changed so that it doesn't autofocus. It should remember those settings. Thanks.